Welcome to Motor City Spindle Repair, where precision meets performance in the heart of automotive innovation. At Motor City Spindle Repair, we take pride in being the go-to solution for OEM-branded spindles in automotive powertrain plants and automotive engine plants across the nation. Our dedicated team of experts ensures that your spindles are not just repaired, but upgraded to last longer than brand new from the OEM, guaranteeing peak performance on the assembly line. With state-of-the-art technology and a commitment to excellence, Motor City Spindle Repair is your trusted partner in keeping your production lines running smoothly. Our satisfied clients across the nation rely on us to maximize uptime, minimize downtime, and enhance the efficiency of their operations.
Now let's take you behind the scenes into the beating heart of Motor City Spindle Repair, our cutting-edge spindle room. Meet our team of 8 highly skilled technicians, each a master in their craft. What sets us apart? Well, 4 of them boast over 30 years of hands-on experience, ensuring a wealth of knowledge and expertise in every repair. And here's where precision takes shape. Our in-service machine shop is equipped with the latest technology, enabling us to provide tailored solutions that meet the exacting standards of the automotive industry. Our technicians aren't just repairing spindles, they're crafting solutions that redefine performance. Now, let's talk OEMs. We're proud to have direct experience with an extensive list of spindle OEMs, specifically tailored to automotive powertrain and engine plants. At Motor City Spindle Repair, our commitment is not just repairing spindles, it's elevating your production to new heights. Precision, experience, and innovation. That's Motor City Spindle Repair.
So, whether you're in automotive powertrain or engine manufacturing, choose Motor City Spindle Repair for unmatched expertise and unparalleled service.